A common misconception that a lot of my students have when they come into anatomy is what is osmosis, right? So, a lot of times when you learn about osmosis, especially when you're in middle school and even early high school, you learn osmosis as if it's a form of diffusion, right? That it's just diffusion of water. And this is a little bit backwards because the water doesn't really sense the concentration of water, right? Because water is a universal solvent. So we have something in the water, right? That thing that's in the water is the solute. And so when we're thinking about osmosis, we're taking water from, again, um, going from the amount of water, the concentration of water, you can't sense that, but you can sense how much water is in there, right? So imagine I have a ton in this hand and not a lot of stuff in this hand, right? And so as the water is surrounding that area, right, it's going to want to even that out so that my hands are about the same, right? So osmosis is responding to how much stuff is in the water. It doesn't matter how much water there is, right? I could have a gallon jug and a little like a little Dixie cup of water, but if this little Dixie cup of water is super duper concentrated, that water is or it's going to move into that area. It doesn't matter that there's a certain amount of water or not.